In this video, we are going to learn about key facts about Constituent Assembly. Hello friends, welcome to Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin about Constituent Assembly. Symbol was elephant, representing strength and wisdom. Key personnel देखते हैं. Constitutional Advisor Serbian Rao. Initial draft was brought by him, and also he was legal advisor. Secretary SVR Iyengar. He was administrative head. Chief draftsman SN Mukherjee. Final text was given by SN Mukherjee. Next is English calligrapher Prem Bihari Narayan Rajala. Prem Bihari Narayan Rajala. English beautification was done by Nand Lal Bose and Bewhar Ram Manohar Sinha. Preamble. Also, Hindi calligrapher is Vasant Krishnan Vaidya. Hindi beautification by Nand Lal Bose. Criticism of Constituent Assembly. Not representative. Indirect election was there. No universal adult franchises. Not sovereign. Formed under cabinet mission. Plan limited initial autonomy. Time consuming 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Drifting committee. Congress nomination. Constituent Assembly was Congress, and Congress was India. This statement was given by Granville Astin gave him this statement. Constituent Assembly was Congress and Congress was India. Lawyer politician domination. Dominated by legal professional, limited diversity. Hindu domination. Alleged bias toward Hindu. Lord Viscount Simon said this. Borrowed constitution. Lacked originality. Copied from other nation. Assessment. Despite flaws, successfully created a resilient, diverse, democratic constitution. Salient feature of Indian constitution. Lengthiest written constitution. Original 395 articles, 22 parts and 8 schedules. Present approximately 448 articles, 25 parts, 12 schedules. Reasons. Diversity. Government of India Act 1935. Influence. Socio-economic provisions. Legal drafting. Drawn from various sources. UK parliamentary system. Role. Single citizenship. Ireland's DPSP and president election. USA. Fundamental rights, judicial review, independent judiciary and preamble. From Canada, strong center federalism, residuary power, government appointment. From Australia, concurrent list and joint sitting of parliament. From USSR, justice preamble. From France, republic, liberty, equality, fraternity in the preamble. Germany, suspension of fundamental rights during emergency. From South Africa, Rajya Sabha election amendment procedure. From Japan, procedures established by law. Government of India Act 1935. Federal scheme, government office, governor's office and judiciary and emergency. Federal scheme, governor's office, judiciary and emergency. Fundamental rights. Part 3, Article 12 to 35. Justiciable, enforceable by Article 32. Political democracy. Directive principle of state policy. Part 4, Article 36 to 51. Non-justiciable. Social economic democracy. Fundamental to governance. Article 37. Fundamental duties. Part 4A, Article 51A. Added by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. 11 duties. Non-enforceable. Parliamentary form of government. Executive responsible to legislature. Emphasis emphasizes responsibility over stability. Federal system with unitary bias. Federal dual government, written constitution, power division. Unitary, strong center and single citizenship and emergency power. Next is quasi-federal by K.C. Ware, Union of State, Article 1. Independent and integrated judiciary, independent, secure tenure, integrated, single hierarchy. Constitutional supremacy balances Parliament's amendment power, Article 368. Judiciary's review power, Article 13. Keswanand Bharati case, 1973. Basic structure doctrine, blend of rigidity and flexibility. Amendment by simple special majority or with state ratification, Article 368. 106 Amendment to date. Universal adult suffrage, Article 326. Voting right for all above 18. Single citizenship, Article 5 to 11. Promotes national unity. Independent bodies, Election Commission, CAG and UPSC, SPSCs. Secular state. Secular. Added by 42nd Amendment 1976. Positive secularism, equal respect for all religion. Emergency provisions, emergency provision part 18. Article 350 to 360. National state financial emergency also is given. Three-tier government, 73rd Amendment 1992, Panchayat, Part 9, 11 Schedule. 74th Amendment 1992, Municipalities, Part 9A, 12 Schedule. Affirmative actions, reservation for SCs, SC and STs, OBC, EWS, women in jobs, education, legislature. The preamble. Definition. Introduction to Constitution reflects its essence, value, objective and identity agard and Palkiwala. Sources. Based on objective resolution, Nehru, 1946. Text key terms: sovereign socialist, secular democratic republic, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, dignity, unity and integrity. Socialist, secular, integrity, added by 42nd Amendment 1976. Adoption November 26, 1949. Constitution Day. Enforcement Day January 26, 1950. Purna Swaraj Day. Status part of Constitution. Berubari case 1960 not part. Keswanand Bharati case 1973 it is a part. Amendable but basic structure cannot be amended or altered. LIC of India case 1995 reform as integral part. Amendability. Amendment once 42nd Amendment Act. Significance. Novel vision, source of power, people, secure right, acts, interpretation. Limitation, not a source of power, limitation, non-justiciable. Criticism of Indian Constitution, it is borrowed, not original. It is copied. Ambedkar, adapted, not copied. Carbon copy of 1935 Act. Many provisions from 1935 Act on Indian, anti-Indian, Western imitation. Elephantine size, too long, complex, eye-burgeoning. Lloyd's Paradise, overly legalistic. Lect autochtony, not fully indigenous authority. Assessment, resilient, dynamic, suit India's diverse need. Survived crisis. So this was the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel, like the videos and don't forget press the bell icon so that UPSC videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. जय हिंद।